Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is ILINCA and today I will be doing a review and a full face with the Huda Beauty Amethyst Obsessions palette. I love all these little palettes. I have them all. I will be doing videos with each and one of them. I just love them and they're magnetic and they stick together. And I have the sapphire one. Look how beautiful they are. And I love this electric one. I love Tati did a beautiful video on this one with the purple and the blue shade. And I just love the look. And here is the topaz one. So yeah, I have the ones that I really like and I really like to do eye looks with. So today we're gonna be using this one right here, the lucky winner. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna prime my face right now and I'll be using the L'Oreal True Match Lumi Glotion. Okay. And now, because it's a Huda Beauty palette, we are going to go with Huda Beauty foundation. So this is in the shade of 110N Angel Food. It looks like this. Comes with a pump. And you should only use a tiny bit. Let's see. Because it's like full coverage. You don't need a lot for your face. Let's start like this and see. I'm gonna be using my beauty blender. Actually, I got this on Amazon. It's like a beauty blender, but it's by BK. And it comes in like many shades and they look like this. Amazon, you see? So they're exactly like a beauty blender. They're amazing and they're much cheaper. Okay. And now I'm gonna go with one of my favorites, the Match Perfection 2-in-1 Skin Tone Concealer and Highlighter by Rimmel. Oh look, it matches my shirt. I'm gonna put a little bit on the eyes to make sure that the eyeshadow sticks. And let's use just a little bit here, not much. Because the Huda Beauty foundation already pretty much covered everything. Don't wanna put too much because then it's gonna look cakey, dry, and underneath my eye, and I don't like that. When I first started, I was using it dry. I had no clue that I'm supposed to wet this. So someone told me, are you wetting your beauty blender type of sponge? I said, no. I didn't know that I'm supposed to use them wet. Always learning something new. There you go. Now we're gonna go with, on today, the Fit Me Maybelline 100 Translucent Powder. You see how much I like it because it's like empty in here in the middle. Again, I'm gonna use my Tati Beauty Blendiful and use a little bit like this and set the concealer. I love Tati Beauty Blendiful. It's the best to use it for powders, the best. And use some underneath. Let's start with the eyeshadow. So look at these colors. We are going to go in with, I'm gonna be using the MAC 221. And we're gonna go in, let's see, which shade? This shade right here. There's no names, but it's right, this one right here. And we're going to apply it Perfect. Now let's go with and go into this color right here, opposite diagonal from the one that we just used, this one. And we're gonna use that for the crease. And I'm gonna use the Morphe M441, the same one. And I just want to clean this brush just a tiny bit to make sure we don't have another brown shade on it. Okay, perfect. And now I'm going to go with this color right here, wine type of color. And we are going to put it I love playing with makeup. Okay, so I'll be taking this, where is it? MAC 221, and I'm going to dab it in this color right here. What is it? This one right here, which is the crease color. And I'm gonna be using it on the bottom eyelid. For the inner corner, so clean your finger and go dab into this one right here. I'll show you. This one, the lightest one. You see? Okay, so let's grab this eyeliner type of brush by Morphe and use a little bit of this one right here, the sparkly one, the dark sparkly one, and put it underneath the eyelid in the middle here. And now inside, MAC 239 brush, and I'll be dabbing in this light one right here and using it inside corner right here. Look at that. And I'll be using more of it here to give it a nice shine. There you go. Now we're gonna go with the Col-lab mascara. Love this mascara because it is never dry. Okay. If you don't know by now, I am afraid of anybody coming close to my eyes with anything, let alone sticking some eyelashes there. Like, I applaud the people who do it. I'm just so scared of anything going close to my eye. Now we are going to take the Milani, let's see, what is this? 03 Rose Glow Stellar Lights highlighter palette, and I'm gonna be using this shade right here. Look at this. It is so beautiful. Look at that. I'm gonna be using this for the top of my eyelid, close to the eyebrows. Let's see. Morphe. There's no number on this, but it looks like this. Dab, dab, dab. Oh, look at that. And here. I love this. Perfect. Now, let's see. I will contour with the Anastasia Beverly Hills. Did you guys know that she is from Romania? She's Romanian like me. I'm from Romania, and her real name is Anastasia Soare. And soare in Romanian, in English, it means sun. So basically her name is Anastasia Sun, if you translate it. So yeah, so I'm using this contour, Mink Stick Foundation contour. And let's see, does it have like a number? It's like this shade, like a cappuccino shade. Perfect. So now we're gonna go into the Maybelline Fit Me blush in the color Pink Rose. Let's see. Okay, this is another beautiful, beautiful shade. Let's see if I can show it to you guys. Very, very light pink, you see? So I'm going to use the MAC 129 brush. There you go. So this is the look that we've done with the Huda Beauty Amethyst Obsession. Hope you like it. There you go. And it looks, we've used pretty much 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 colors, 5, 6 colors out of the 9. I hope you like it. And now we are going to set it. I'm gonna be using this Milani True Instant Color in the shade 04, just to line my lips, I would like to use this color by Maybelline. It's Creator number 35. Looks like this. And let's use this on the lips. And there you have it. So thank you to Huda Beauty for creating this such a great palette. I went ahead and I purchased all of this all myself. I don't get any PR or anything, but I just love buying makeup. So I'm happy to do this for you, and you guys have like a, you know, an idea on how to combine the colors. And I'm not a professional makeup artist, and anyone can do it. It's great if you enjoy makeup. I really hope you like my look. I really hope you enjoyed watching my video, and oh, look at this hair here. And don't forget to subscribe, and if you like my video and if you would like to see my other videos, I'm gonna have a ton more coming with my personal opinions and my own style of colors that I will combine for you. You know, please subscribe, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. And thank you so much for watching. Love you guys. Bye.